taking off. Shit.
Landing, agua de cargo.
Something broke.
Landing.
Okay, just reviewing the damages. Well, the fuselage just broke because thankfully, I mean, it just landed flat like a pancake. It just broke here, yeah. But after checking in, after inspecting the plane, it was not pilot error. Look what happened. Look at this. So my elevator mechanism just broke, and it's because inside is plastic. Look at this other one. Look at this. So I lost one of my elevator control surfaces, and that's why it crashed. I mean, there was no way to save this thing. Okay, well, thing happened. That's part of the hobby. I don't know. I might probably fix it. I might probably get an ARF and just transfer the motor and everything to the new one, or maybe I just quit having an F-16, an F-7, a Blue Angel F-18, sorry. I just have a lot of things in my mind. But yeah, that's what happened. These planes are beautiful planes, they fly good, but they have that flaw. And yeah, that's something that the factory should correct. Okay, well, thank you.